So I'm currently the General Manager of DBM Medical. So DBM is a medical distribution company. We specialise primarily in orthopedic products. So we sell to hospitals in New Zealand and surgeons orthopedic equipment for orthopedic surgery. TBO4 is our first system that we were using barcodes. So prior to that, it was manual entry through a keyboard. Some of our projects, sets that we need to ship, might take up to 2 hours to get out the door. As you get busier, that becomes unacceptable. The best way we felt to get rid of that was moving to RFID tags, where you can just have a lot more data attached to an item. With RFID, we can get a 2-hour process down to 15 minutes. The tunnel itself just has the ability to effectively scan all those barcodes all at once in terms of in three-dimensional space. They can be laid out in any position, they can be stacked on top of each other, and the tunnel is able to just essentially scan them all at once.
I can see massive potential benefits in the efficiency of what we do.
And once you've done the work in the background of RFID, that's where more of the workload is. Then things become very simple, very fast and very accurate. So if you're needing that, then RFID is definitely a way to go.
I reckon if it's a big operation for something like this, I would suggest an RFID sort of scanner, just to get that flow of the business running smoothly and more efficient. I would recommend a company to take this on board.